All right, this dance starts out with weight on your left, and you're going to start out with a sailor step. So you can take your right foot, you're going to bring it back behind your left, and then you're going to step back again with it right beside your left. So that's a 1 and 2 count. And then you're going to do the same thing on the other side. So 3 and 4, and then you're going to do another one. 5 and 6, and then another sailor step, 7 and 8. Then you're going to do a right heel, right heel, clap, clap. And then you're going to do 2 right hip bumps, 2 left hip bumps, and then a right, left hip bump. Weight is on your left foot. You're going to do a right shuffle forward, step with your left and do a half spin. Then you're going to come back forward again. You're going to do a shuffle forward. Now, pay attention to where your right shoulder is facing right now, because that's where you're going to be facing. You're going to do a 3/4 turn. So you're going to bring your right foot across your left, and you're going to just unwind. Now you're facing that wall where your right shoulder was pointing towards, and you're going to go right into a grapevine to the right. Touch, grapevine to the left. Touch. Dance starts over again with the sailor steps.
1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4.